Hey, welcome back. Today should be the last day that we finally get everything done and we get the REX fixed for its actual second MOT. So, let me just give you a breakdown of what I have been doing. I cleaned up my desk because this was absolutely filthy. I don't understand how most YouTubers would have garages and stuff get everything clean. I struggle with that. Let me know in the comments if there's a solution for it. And don't say torch the garage down because not an option. So I got my spindles rust free and painted and coated with Dinitrol. I got my bearings all painted out as well. I got the brake calipers all cleaned up, painted and personalized. What I need to do now is clean all of these old bolts, prep the inside pistons and everything else, assemble everything. What took me so long is I was waiting for something, and here they are. I was waiting for the gaiters / boots for my shocks because the new shocks I got don't have it, and the ones that were on the previous one are absolutely destroyed. Now, these ones are not for an RX-8. I just could not find one for an RX-8. The only places I could find were in Europe, and they wouldn't send it because, you know, Brexit and stuff. So we need to do a couple of modifications on this to actually get it to fit on the RX-8. And let's get to it. Okay, so these ones, as you can see, they don't fit. Let me just open this. So these bump stops are for these gaiters, so they would go inside here. You guys can see it. You guys won't see it, but basically the problem here is that just go straight through because of the bump stop plate. Now the bump stop plate comes with the original gaiters from the RX-8, and if I take it off, you can see it just doesn't fit. So we need to use the original bump stops. The problem here is, just put this up, these original bump stops, it's like this is too small, it doesn't fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this area here, and then this part will fit, and that's the modification we need. And then we use the original gaiter from the RX-8. We just trim this bit here, and then this will go inside. It's not pretty, but it's the easiest solution I could find. So let's get to it. Okay, now that we got everything prepped, it's time to put the spring here, but not compress the spring. I hate doing this. This is sketchy as F. So we have to use these like tools here, but I don't know. I don't like it. Never did, never will. I don't have a proper press, so just have to be creative.
A few moments later.
Done. There you go. Shocks are ready. Never again. This is sketchy as hell.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this was an absolute pain, but either way, everything is assembled. Now I just need to put the little new pins that I got so they can actually go in these holes. To tighten this one, you actually need an Allen key, because you'll put the Allen key in here to stop the entire assembly to rotate, and then you just tighten this nut. Yeah, so put these things in, and then I'm gonna torque everything according to spec and start connecting the actual brake line. So yeah, this was an absolute pain, and I still have to do the other wheel. Okay, so for the upper control arm and the bottom of the shock, I'm gonna go for 65 foot-pounds of torque because it's within the actual range. I think it goes from 62 to 70 something. So done. Now the next one. Okay. And now the actual shock one, which is going to be a pain because I will need both hands for this. And I also need a 17 socket. It's not this one, it's this one here. There you go. There you go. Now I need to do top mounts as well, but okay, nicely done. Now I just need to do the same thing on the other side, which I have less space. It's going to be even worse. But either way, it has to be done.